choke to clear out. We'll take the diaphragm. So my snowblower, I locked up and freezed up, and there was just a ton of snow in here. And so after I've had it all thaw out, you can see right here we have a big stone that has locked everything up. So I'm gonna have to pry that out of there. So if your snowblower seizes up, most likely, if you've been throwing any rocks, you have a rock stuck in there. Hopefully this helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out one of my other videos. Hopefully this helps. And this one is a Troy-built Storm 28-inch.